What's up, guys? We're here at my favorite caranderia to do a spicy food test. Yuki, the daughter here at the caranderia, loves spicy stuff just like me, so we're gonna try some things I got online and see if we finally found some spicy things in the Philippines. So we're here at the caranderia. We're gonna give things a shot. This is Yuki. All right, so I guess let's start with the least hot. So this is, let's get you in the frame too. There we go. So this is one I grew up with. This is not that hot. It's not very hot at all, but it just tastes good. So let's give it a shot. Why don't you put it on some lumpia and we'll try it and see what you think.
Is it hot? Or...
No. This is the one good for fried chicken. That's why I was hoping your mom had chicken today.
Ah, gato. Okay. Will you?
Yeah, I'll give it a shot too. I hope it tastes like I remember. All right, ready?
Okay. Cheers.
Yeah, not hot at all. It kind of tastes like vinaigrette a little bit.
Yeah.
It's just like a spicy vinegar.
Yeah, it's just like vinaigrette.
Yeah. So this is like classic, when you go to restaurants in my hometown, this and salt and pepper are always on the table. This is if anybody is watching from America, this is Trappy's Louisiana sauce. So not hot, just tasty. You want to try it, Joe? No? Okay. So this first one, that was just the palate cleanser to see like, okay, this is classic like cayenne pepper and stuff. Actually jalapenos in here too. So I guess we'll go with the next hottest one that I think. So we have Melinda's hot sauce. Melinda's is really good because everything in it is vegetables and fruit. So this is habanero, vinegar, honey, onions, sugar, salt, turmeric. So this is like a little honey mustard. This one's a little more spicy, but it's also fruity.
I like the taste.
This brand is so nice. All of their hot sauces are amazing.
Give me.
You want to try this one? It's really good.
It's very spicy.
No?
Let me just see.
We're gonna have Chell try it.
I bet it would taste good on pizza.
Yeah.
Or like burger.
Burger, chicken, everything. Taco.
Let me some.
It's good, right? You want a little bit more?
Okay.
Yeah, they sell these little sample bottles. I wanted to get like a bigger one if I liked it, so this one's really good. But not that hot. They do sell very, very hot ones though. They sell they measure it in like X's. So there's like a 1X sauce, 2X, 3X. Goes all the way up.
The hotness of the sauce?
Yeah,
okay.
Exactly. In America back in the day when they sold moonshine, they would measure how strong the moonshine was in X's.
Moonshine?
Moonshine is like illegal alcohol. So like you cook it in your bathtub or whatever.
Ah, okay.
So whatever you
Why is it considered illegal?
Well, it was illegal in America for like 20 years. They made all alcohol illegal back like 1900 to 1920 or something like that. So it was called prohibition. So all alcohol was illegal. So people then started to make it. That's where like the mobsters came from because they started selling all the alcohol. Next we'll do the ghost pepper.
Okay.
So this one is a little more spicy. Still tastes good.
I found it.
Okay. Look at that. No?
It's not that spicy.
Not that hot?
Yeah.
All right, maybe the lumpia is, can we get a spoon? Like 2 spoons and we'll try it on the spoon?
Okay.
Sometimes if you eat it with food, it gets like less spicy.
Gusto ko mag-ilaw,
We'll just try the sauce. Okay. Ooh, neat. I'll try that much too. There we go. Ready?
Yeah.
I thought ghost peppers would be crazy hot.
Yeah, me too. Pero feel ako alangan si Mami.
This one is habanero. This has ghost pepper and habanero. Lime juice, salt, garlic, carrots, onions.
Okay.
It's more hot, but I think your mom's chili oil is hotter.
Yeah.
So that's why I then have Carolina Reaper. So I have two types of this. This one even came with seeds. I don't know if you guys grow anything, but I've got Carolina Reaper seeds, habanero seeds, ghost pepper seeds. Huh?
A lot of seeds.
A lot of them were free. I did buy some Carolina Reaper seeds just because I thought, hell, maybe I'll try to grow some. Okay, that's why I got these chips. Some plain patatas. I've tried this one already, and it's pretty spicy. So I guess we'll try that one first. We'll make a bag of spicy chips.
Okay.
I don't want to get this one on my finger. This one is fucking hot. Okay. Before I use like the smallest, like barely, like that. That was how much I used before on a piece of bread. So we're gonna give this one a.
Is it really hot?
Yeah. But we don't know if you'll think it's hot or not. Maybe. I'm gonna take this top off. Very dangerous. Okay. Okay, that's a lot. Grab, that is a seasoned one on top there. Be careful to not touch your eyes or anything after this. So I've got two here with some nice seasoning on it. You ready?
Yeah.
Okay, cheers.
Fine.
Fine?
Yeah.
Okay. Let's try it on our lumpia. Okay. Disappointed. I think our spice tolerance is too high. Let's go. Still fine?
Yeah.
Wow.
Megan, would you like some water?
No, I'm okay. All right. Let's try it on the spoon then.
No.
No?
No.
Okay. So we have this other Carolina Reaper powder. Is your tongue burning at all?
It is.
Let's smell it. Okay. Here, I'm gonna put a couple here. We'll just spice it directly.
Pag water daan, mother.
Okay. Let's try this Carolina Reaper. Cheers.
Hello?
That one's spicy? Okay, apparently there's a different in brands. This one even comes in a little glass jar.
Nani, katapat ako. Oh my God! chicken.
Yeah. What do you think? That's the spicy one? Oh, I touched my face. My face is like burning now. Oh, God.
How long? Oh my god. How much is this?
This one I think was 99 pesos.
Oh.
But that's enough powder to season a lot.
Yeah.
It's like if your mom put a little bit of that into one of her batches of chili sauce, it would be super, super spicy.
I need more water. Nah.
Alright. So I think we finally found a hot, spicy sauce.
Ayoko. Alangan mo yun.
Yep. I'll put a little of this in this bag too.
Ano ba ako ano?
Here, you can take this bag to school with your friends.
Tagam dito sila. Nalo ko kayang. Ha? Kaya ko siya.
Yeah.
You want to put in the plate?
The chips?
Plate?
No, it's okay. I'm just mixing it up so it's all covered. There we go.
Okay, it's sweet.
Yeah.
It's way too spicy. Wow.
Yeah, my tongue's burning. Not as spicy as I've had before. I've had some crazy hot sauces before. Where like you couldn't function after. Yeah.
It's the first time trying that.
It's supposed to be one of the hottest peppers in the world.
Oh, really?
Yeah, Carolina Reaper. Do you know what the Grim Reaper is?
Yeah.
It's like death.
Yeah.
That's like the Carolina Reaper. It's from North Carolina, and it's like death, the death pepper.
The spiciness is still there. I don't know if the water is helping.
No, it doesn't. That's why I brought the ice cream. So if you want some of that to help, it will. The cream usually helps.
I can't.
Yeah. This stuff is dangerous. Seriously, my whole forehead is burning because I like touched my head.
What did you put? The 2 butters here?
Put both.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay, I let my friend try these.
Whatever you put a clip on it so it doesn't get in your bag. Whatever you
I
do.
can just transfer it to plastic.
Okay, that's smart.
Oh, it's so hot. It's so burning.
All right, guys. Well, we finally found a spicy sauce. You agree?
Yeah.
Okay.
I agree.
Bye, guys.